Unlocking TikTok Live in 2026, the master key requirements and hidden routes and algorithm strategies most new creators don't know exist. So the 1000 follower getaway, age and follower threshold. You must be at least 18 years old and hit 1000 followers. The standard unlock point for most accounts in 2026. Account integrity, any recent community guideline violation or active restriction will block live access regardless of follower count. The rarity check for most creators, 1000 organic followers remains the most reliable path to automatic live tab activation. Power user bypass access before 1000. TikTok shop channel merchant binding an official shop channel can live with zero followers promoting only their own products. Live Studios desktop streaming software allows select creators to apply to for early access before hitting the follower threshold. Support requests a creator with 500 plus followers and consistent posting can request live visa report problem 30 to 50% success rate. So surviving beyond the access gate, content foundation posts 3 to 5 weekly videos and stream optimization stream 25 minutes to 30 minutes with bots and engagement tactics, pin comments, co-host to boost viewers. So build for impact, not just access. Niche community. Your goal isn't just 1000 followers, it's a niche focused audience that covers viewers into loyal followers. Consistency wins. First, live strategy. Treat your debut as a 30 minutes community event. This feature content and deepen viewer loyalty from day one. So there you guys. Hope you guys like the video. Enjoy. If you have any question, concerns, leave it in the question below guys. How to as soon as possible and thank you guys.